Good morning children. Welcome to our channel Kids Kingdom. I am Raju. How are you all? I am good and I hope all are doing good. Do you know what special is tomorrow? Yes, tomorrow is a Republic Day. Republic Day is a national festival of India. I am going to share a few things with you about Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated to remember the day when India's constitution came into force on January 26, 1950. The constitution was adopted on November 26, 1949, but it was brought into effect from January 26, 1950 as it marks the 20th anniversary of Purna Swaraj. As you know, India got independence in 1947 from the British rule. At that time, India has no constitution by its own. Babu Rajendra Prasad as the President, Constituent Assembly was elected to adopt the constitution. Under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, drafting committee was appointed. He studied more than 60 constituents of various countries. Children, do you know who wrote our constitution? Yes, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar was a great son of India. He was born on 14th April 1891 in Mau, Madhya Pradesh. His family was of Hindu Mahar caste who were treated as untouchables. He too had to face untouchability in society and school. Dr. Ambedkar passed his matriculation in 1907. He completed his MA and PhD from Columbia University in America and studied law in England. He was an Indian jurist, economist, politician and social reformer. He inspired the Dalit Buddhist movement and worked for the rights of the Dalits. He always stood for the equality of untouchables and other lower caste. He realized the importance of education and inspired the backward people to get educated. He played a major role in framing the Indian Constitution and hence is called the father of Indian Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar kept every good of all people in his mind while preparing the Constitution. Constitution is a system to rule our country. It was adopted by the then Constituent Assembly, turned Parliament after many sessions of deep discussions and modifications during 2 years, 11 months, 18 days as on 26 November 1949. He was made the chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee and considered as the chief architect of Indian Constitution. He was awarded the India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna Award, in 31st March 1990. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar left this world on 6th December 1956. Throughout his life, he worked for the betterment of discrimination against the untouchables. Today is the day to be thankful for what he has done for our nation. Children, do you know what is Constitution? Let's know about Constitution. For example, a school timetable is a mirror that reflects the entire educational plan of the school, as well as our Constitution is a mirror. It reflects the entire plan of our country. The Constitution is the supreme law in India. A Constitution is a set of rules and regulations guiding the administration of a country. India's Constitution is the oldest, largest and lengthiest written constitution. Constitution was written on 26th November 1949 and was made the center of law in 1950, 26 June. This day is celebrated as the Republic Day in India. India became a secular and democratic country on this day. On this day, we hoist our national flag and sing national anthem on this day. Republic Day is a symbol of pride for us. Republic Day gives the message of unity, harmony and equality. Constitution is a friend to the poor as well as the rich, the old and the young, the men and women. It protects all of our rights. All Indians have equal rights. All are equal before the law. Children, we host our flag on Independence Day and Republic Day, but there is a difference in hosting the flag. Let's know. On Independence Day, the national flag is tied and sits at the bottom. The Prime Minister then raises it up and unfurls it. The motive is to honor the historical event of August 15, 1947. Whereas on Republic Day, the flag remains closed and tied up on the top, which is then unfurled without pulling it up. This is the difference between we hosting our flag on Independence Day and Republic Day. On Republic Day, the word Royal was dropped from Royal Air Force and it became Indian Air Force on this day. The lion head from Ashoka Pillar in Sarnath was formally adopted as the national emblem on the same day. The peacock was declared as the national bird on this day in 1963. Once again, we remember Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the architect of Indian Constitution, and Gandhiji, Bhagat Singh, Netaji, Jhansi Lakshmibai, and many more leaders who dedicated their lives for the sake of our Mother India. We must also be thankful to the great leaders and soldiers who gave up their life for our country. We should follow their idols and to be proud an Indian. Jai Hind. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the father of Indian Constitution. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, father of our nation. Subhash Chandra Bose, and also called as Netaji and Prince of Patriots. Vallabhbhai Patel, and also called as Sardar, Iron Man of India and Indian Bismarck. Bala Gangadhar Tilak, also called as Lokamanya, Maratha Kesari, and father of Indian unrest. Bipin Chandra Pal is also called as Bengal Tiger. With a 31-gun salute at the Irving Stadium in Delhi, India was declared as a republic and Dr. Rajendra Prasad as the president on January 26, 1950 at 10:30 a.m. Our first president, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, taking the salute. The chief guest at the first Republic Day parade was Indonesian President Dr. Sukarno and his wife. Every year, a foreign guest attends to the event. But this year, no foreign guest at 2021 Republic Day event due to COVID-19 pandemic. Bhavana Kant to became the first woman fighter pilot to take part in Republic Day parade.